Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody, today we're going to be drawing V from alphabet lore. I really hope you'll follow along with us. You'll need a black marker and something to color with. Let's get started! Okay, first I'm going to start with our black marker. We want to make sure that we're drawing here in the center of the page. And we're going to start with the eyes. So we're going to do one right here. And then fill in the pupil. And then one over here that's slightly bigger. And then fill in the pupil. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna come up kind of mid-eye over here and go straight up. I'm gonna come over and then down right here. And we're gonna stop right in between those eyes. And then back up. We'll come out and down, and we're aiming for about halfway through this eye. And then we'll come back down through, curve over, and then back up. Perfect. And then we're gonna give this kind of goofy smile right here, like that. And then I'm gonna fill it in with black. Perfect, that looks great. Now, we have our outline. We're gonna finish our character with this blue marker. I'm gonna fill in the whole body. We wanna make sure that we leave the eyes. We wanna leave those white. Okay, now before we're done, I'm gonna come over with I'm gonna try this yellow colored pencil, see if we can see it. You can see it a little bit, not sure if you're getting it on the camera. I'm just gonna give a little there, and then I'm gonna come with this brown, trying to add some texture on the side. And maybe just a little red right here. Okay, and there we have V.
Yeah.
You did such a good job following along with me, and if yours didn't turn out so great, that's okay. You can just keep practicing, watch the video again, and you'll get better. I hope you'll come back really soon so we can draw more characters. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.